Aligarh Muslim University is in controversy again, and this time over the lunch menu. A notice was issued to students announcing that beef biryani would be served for lunch at the Sir Shah Sulaiman Hall at the AMU. Times Now has accessed a copy of this notice that has been issued yesterday, and it read, and I'm reading from it, it says the Sunday's lunch menu has been modified based on popular demand. Instead of chicken biryani, we will be serving beef biryani. This change is in response to numerous requests from our resident members. We hope you enjoy the new addition to our menu, unquote. So this is what the notice says. The copy of it is on the screens as well. And this notice has two names in print, Mohammad Fayazullah and Mujazzim Ahmad Bhati, mentioned as the senior members of the dining hall. This notice has created a stir in the Aligarh Muslim University, with the students protesting against the same. But breaking updates now coming in. After the uproar over the beef biryani, the AMU has backtracked, calling it a typing error. As soon as the notice went viral on social media, the AMU administration has now called it a typing error. Listen in.
देखिए, ये जानकारी में आया था कि सुलेमान हॉल जो एमयू का एक रेजिडेंशियल हॉल है, यहाँ पर एक नोटिस इशू किया गया था फूड और मेन्यू से रिलेटेड। और दो सीनियर फूड कहा जाता है डाइनिंग हॉल में, ये स्टूडेंट्स की हमारे यहाँ पर डेजिग्नेशन होती है। तो उन दोनों की तरफ से ये नोटिस था। जब इस नोटिस को देखा गया, उस नोटिस में टाइपिंग एरर था, तो फौरन इस नोटिस को वापस ले लिया गया। दूसरी बात यह है कि इस नोटिस में किसी के साइन नहीं थे, तो हो सकता है कि इस नोटिस की अथॉरिटी का भी अभी कुछ पता नहीं है। नोटिस में जो टाइपिंग एरर है वो उससे साफ दर्शाता है कि ये नोटिस जो है ये सही तरीके से नहीं ड्राफ्ट था, तो इसको विड्रॉ कर लिया। नोटिस विड्रॉ होने का मतलब ये है कि इस नोटिस की कोई वैधता नहीं है। और हमने दोनों सीनियर, हमारी जो प्रोवोस्ट साहब हैं, उन्होंने दोनों सीनियर फूड जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको शोकॉज नोटिस भी इशू किया है, ताकि ये मामले को हम लोग गंभीरता से लें। और हमारे यहाँ एएमयू में कानून का पूर्ण तरह से पालन किया जाता है। जो लॉ हमें कहता है कि जो चीजें हम लोग खा सकते हैं और जो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक दूसरे की भावनाओं का ध्यान रखते हुए जो चीजें करते हैं, खाते हैं, वो हमेशा होता आया है और आगे भी होता रहेगा।
My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, can this be called a typing error? The notice is on the screens. It clearly says instead of chicken biryani, we will be serving beef biryani. How can this be a typing error?
Yes, you're absolutely right. This can't be a typing error, because if you go through the content of the notice that was served yesterday and that went viral, after that the controversy was triggered. And in that notice it was clearly mentioned that on public demand, it has been decided that on Sunday during the lunch, it will be beef biryani instead of chicken biryani, and because of that many of the Hindu students, they lodged their protest and they registered their protest in this regard. It was after that they were trying to play down the issue, and university authorities said that one, they are not clear about the notice, and the second, they said that the notice has been withdrawn, and third, they said this was a typo error. But this can't be a typo error, because they are simply just trying to play down this issue, because they know there can be a tension. But yes, fire has already been lodged against two of the students who were the seniors who were behind this notice, and also against the provost of that hall, and that fire has been lodged. And right now the investigation are going on. So far as the AMU authorities are concerned, they are saying that they have already served the showcase notice to these people, these students, and so far no response had come from their side, whether what response had been given by them in this regard. But yes, right now they are looking into the matter. It has been more than 24 hours. So far no action been initiated against those seniors, except for the showcase notice that has been issued and the notice that has been withdrawn. So they are simply trying to play down the issue, because this is not first time when the controversy has erupted in Aligarh Muslim University, because there are people who are saying that they are trying to somewhere trying to shield those radical elements, and that's what actually right now the politics have also started.
The notice that is in the center of this entire controversy, Pradeep, let's put that out for our viewers. Here we have it, and look at what it says. For the AMU to now come out and say that this was a typing error, take a look at what this notice says. It says notice to all residents, and this is the operative bit here. It says instead of chicken biryani, we will be serving beef biryani. What is the error here? What is the typing mistake? What was intended to be written here? In fact, it then also goes on to say this is in response to the numerous requests that we have received. Now look at the change that they have made. First, it said that the menu had been modified based on popular demand. That's a claim that they had been making in this notice. But then look at the clarification that came in, calling it an unintentional mistake. Apart from that, the notice also says we will be serving beef biryani, after which the AMU administration claims that it is a clear typing error. It says, hope you enjoy the new menu. That's what this notice that had been issued yesterday says. But now they say that notice has been withdrawn. There's no sign. And look at this. There are two senior members of the dining hall. Their names are written. The AMU administration claims that there is no official signature. So they find this notice suspicious. That's the statement that they have been making. Now, after this entire outrage, a complaint has also been registered against 3 members of the AMU administration, Mujazim Ahmed Bhati as well as Mohammad Fayazullah, the 2 names who are mentioned in this notice, and also FR Gohar. The FIR has been registered under Section 302 for deliberate intent to hurt religious feelings, Section 270 that holds authorities accountable for failure to act, and Section 353 for publishing false statements with malicious intent. Politics has also broken out over the menu change. While the AMU has claimed that it was an unintentional error, the BJP has called this a conspiracy.
किसी भी शिक्षण संस्थान में इस तरह की साजिश, ये षड्यंत्र घोर निंदनीय है। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी में हाल ही में जो घटनाक्रम हुआ है, उसकी प्रत्येक पहलू की जांच होनी चाहिए और दोषियों पर कठोर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। कुछ लोग जानबूझकर देश के सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द भाईचारे को खराब करने में लगे हैं और कुछ राजनीतिक दल ऐसी नकारात्मक विषणकारी शक्तियों को हवा देते हैं। दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, कठोर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।